Wow, very nice this sofa. Wow, the price even nice boy, close deal.
Hey, Amoy, you don't even know what's inside. Few thousand straight away pay
I like it, then I buy lah.
No, before that, you have to know how's your sofa built. Come, here we're at Enzol's factory to show you how is your sofa made with just 7 steps. First, the wooden frame. From QC to cutting to assembling, all are done in-house. After all, doing it yourself can ensure quality ma. At Enzol, we insist using only solid meranti wood. Each and every piece is quality checked properly, or else, size like mine, how do I dare to sit on it? Second, the upholstery. First, let's check out the Italy genuine leather. Every piece of genuine leather will be checked in detail to mark out the flaws and will then send to the machine to remove the unwanted part. To make sure your genuine leather sofa will be just nice. For fabric, even simple. All will be measured and cut by machine. Zero error, like that, can make sure quality ma. Third, stitching. All over here will be hand stitched and QC immediately. Still, to make sure quality ma. Fourth, cushion. All foam cushions are manufactured in-house, providing various density. After all, do it ourselves can make sure quality ma. And we'll then send here for assembly. Fifth, the support system whereby spring. We have elastic webbing and zigzag spring, and different support systems serve different purposes. 6 and 7 will be QC and delivery to make sure all goods are in good condition before handing over to you. Long story short, lower price but with better quality. So, you still want to pay or not?
Nah.